Greetings, and welcome to the community. My name is Ruth, or number 48. I have been assigned genetic engineer. Each day I ride my bicycle from my dwelling to the Hall of Sciences, where I work to identify and isolate the pigmentation in the hair and eyes. The pigment, pheomelanin, is especially perplexing and frustrating, as it creates something known as the color red and elsewhere, I've been told. Certain pigments must be eliminated as they create differences in the community. I'm satisfied to ensure equality in my community.